Snowman. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna look in. What's the joke? Oh my goodness. I've cut up enough around you guys. That's neat. Thank you. Golly, that's nice. Thank you all.
Serious damage.
Yeah, ooh, that's neat.
That's what I got. Wind chimes.
Oh, that's neat. Oh my goodness.
Norm seems to like it too.
Norm,
Get
easy.
Get down.
Oh, that's pretty.
Get down.
Norm, come on.
That's not for you.
That is, oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Wow.
It's twisted. There you go.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
The birdie flowers.
I
Thank
like
y'all.
this container. Golly.
That is neat.
And this one is for both of y'all.
Oh my goodness. More? Thank you.
John, grab that one. Grab that.
Thank you. I think that probably adjusts a little bit there, doesn't it, here? or
Yeah,
something?
well, we'll get it again.
Thank you. That is really pretty. Sounds like you're out in the woods. Going, going. I don't have my hat on though. I got a big knife here if you need it.
Norm, here.
You need some jeans.
Norm,
The
stop.
dungarees as we used to call them.
Oh, yeah. No, be good. No. Come on.
You want a knife?
Norm.
Maybe.
Norm. What's that?
Wrapping paper with tinkly things.
Oh, isn't that
Look at
pretty?
that. Look at that. That's nice.
My favorite
1
chapter.
Corinthians 13, or 13 is my number.
You see my crosses on the wall?
Yeah, I just saw the.
That's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, we know where to put it now. Thank you.
That's not for you, it's yours. That's nice.
Pretty.
That is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank y'all. Y'all open your cards?
Not yet.
Thank you very much.
You gotta be a little bit careful with the knife.